What's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your iPhone app icons in 2024 for completely free. So, first thing you want to make sure is that you have your shortcuts app because this app will help us change the app icon. Next, what you want to make sure is that you have the icon for the app you're going to change. So if you don't have it, you have to go to Safari or any other browser that you have, then press plus to open a new tab, then search for your app icon. So let's say I'm choosing Snapchat, right? So I'm gonna say Snapchat icon dark mode. Then go to images. In images, choose any of the icons that you like. Let's say I like this one, right? What you have to do is hold on to it and then press save to photos. After you've done that, go back to the home screen, go to your shortcuts. In here, you want to go to all shortcuts. If it's not showing up for you already, it's showing you this page, go to all shortcuts and on the top right corner, press this plus symbol. And here, choose the action that says open app. If it's not showing up for you already, right here, press on search actions and then search for it. After you've chose the action named open app, it's going to show you something like this. And then in here, press app. And here, choose the app that you want to change the icon of. Then you want to press on the share button in the bottom. In here, you want to press add to home screen. In here, name it your app. I'm gonna name it Snapchat because it's Snapchat. And then right here, click image, then choose photo. And here, choose your icon. Right here, you can resize it, center it, do whatever you want with it. And then press choose. This is a preview of what it's going to look like. Then press add. And then right here, as you guys can see, Snapchat has been added to my home screen. This is just a bookmark, so even if you delete it, your app's going to stay there. So if you ever delete the app in the future, make sure you delete the app completely by going to app library. So other than that, that was how you guys could change your app icon on iPhone in 2024. So if this video helps you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.